Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to KBN. We are the finest television on Top Star, channel 102. Or you can follow live our proceedings on KBN TV on Facebook and YouTube channel. It is the 19th of June 2021. Welcome. Top stories making headlines today. President Lungu honors KK. TCZ suspends physical submission of applications. PF and UPND sign violent-free accord. Accounts commit suicide over date. Zambia records 1,860 new cases, COVID-19 cases. In international news, Iran elections guidelines rise to become president. In sports news, sports league battles till the end. Away from the news, ladies and gentlemen, we are human beings. We have to get paid. Unfortunately, on KBN, we haven't been paid. People are getting instruments on KBN. Tapelo Josimata, Sharon, and everybody else haven't been paid, including myself. We have to get paid.